Hey you guys, it is Sabrina here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another closet declutter. I have one bin that's all stuff that's going to go to the thrift store because I have a lot more than just clothes in my closet. And then I have a resell bin that I'm doing. So if you want to see items that I'm going to be selling, feel free to leave me a comment down below or like this video so I know to do that. So first things first, I do have my UGG boot box that I am going to keep. So I'm just going to set that box right there. One important thing is that if you do store your shoes properly in the box, they are going to last a lot longer. So starting in here, I have some random pillowcase and these table mats that I've had for about 2 years. So we're just going to throw those in the donate box. I have this Converse box from when I had ordered my Converse. So I'm going to keep them because I still have them. And then I have my Minnetonka box for my moccasins. So I'm going to keep that as well. Okay, here's going to be the interesting part. Okay, so I have a pair of basketball shorts. Oh. Did you guys just see all that stuff that just came out? We're just going to put that in the donate pile. Have this. Looks like they're training pants. I don't know why I have them. They're going to go in the donation bin. This just looks like it's going to be garbage. I'll make a garbage pile. I have one shoe. I'll set that there to see if I can find the other shoe. This is a harness that I got for Daisy, so I will see if she fits that. Otherwise, I'll probably just redonate it. We have a Bath & Body Works bag that is garbage. Looks like this dress-up outfit in this bag. What else we got in here? That looks like that just can all be donated. I have this for like drying clothes. I might keep it for right now. I might get rid of it. This armband, I don't have a phone that fits that size, so we're going to donate it. Wipes that look super old, we'll throw those away. A beaded necklace, we'll throw that in the donate bin. And then this Wisconsin thing, we'll just donate that. And then this looks like it's from ThredUp, so that's just garbage. So there's one box down in my room. Let's put all the garbage in there. So I will give you guys like a little sneak peek of my closet. So I actually have, you can see it, mini, but I have another box there and then a pile of my shoes there. Well, I'm not even holding my phone straight. So yeah, we're gonna go through all of it together. Doesn't that sound like fun? Okay, so in here I do have like 2 dream board things that I made. So I probably will keep them. I don't really know where I'm going to put them though. So we'll put those by the boxes. I have 2 sweaters that I don't think the dogs are going to wear. So we'll donate those. And then I have this one for Daisy. We will throw that in the wash. This pile. Okay, I found the other shoe. I'm probably just going to donate the shoes. Then I have some flea tick preventative, so I want to put that underneath my sink so it's in a safe spot. I have this decorative clock that I don't think I bought and I don't know why I want it, so we'll just put that there. Continuing on, because I got a phone call. I have this random cord. I don't know what it's for. Throw that and donate. I have a bridesmaid's koozie. So I'll keep that for right now. Soft nursing pads. I will donate this to our Pregnancy Help Center. It's just a local organization to help single moms or new parents that can't afford all of the costs of being a new parent. Next, I have this HTC journal. Let me see if I even have written in here. No, looks like I have not. So I'm going to put this in my work stuff so we can give it away for our Customer Appreciation Day on this Friday. Now I have all these books. So I have Computers for Seniors for Dummies. Donate that. A cookbook I probably will not use. We'll donate that as well. We have Nicholas Sparks, Our Mark to Remember, so I probably will keep that and put it in my books. I have a Bible, and then this is a book called The Secret Language of Dogs. I might keep this book as well. I'll put it in with my pile of books. I have an Air Jordan baby hat. We'll put that in the sell bin. Whew, there is a lot of dog hair in here. We have some electrical tape. We'll want to keep that. I don't know where all of this stuff came from, but beauty products, we're just going to throw that in the garbage. I don't even know if that's good anymore. Flea tick preventative, keep that. What is this? I have a CD of, I don't know what songs are on there. I don't know what this is. We will donate that. Some string, we'll put that in my craft drawer. And it looks like the rest of this can go in my car. And there's this little pumpkin thing that I'm not going to keep, so I'm going to donate that. Okay, put the books away where they belong. Okay, perfect. Now, let's go ahead and we will go into my closet. So, first things first, I have this Eddie Bauer long sleeve cowl neck, turtleneck thing. I do wear that, so I'm going to keep it. I have a plain black tee. Keep that too. This shirt I do wear to work, so I'm going to keep that as well. You know what? I'm just going to go and show you guys stuff that I'm not going to keep. I wear this, I wear this, I wear this, I wear this. I wear that. I do wear this. So, this is pretty big on me now because I wore this when I was pregnant. This is a bridesmaid's tank top. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw that in the sell pile. Stuff is falling on me, you guys. Okay. And then I have this Silk Essentials with 100% silk shirt that I hauled, or I found at the thrift store for $4.25. I don't think that I'm going to keep this, so we're going to sell that. Okay, so this shirt I have only worn a couple times. I'm on the fence of it, so I'm just going to get rid of it. This I bought, and I just don't know if it's going to fit me that well. I'm not sure if this is an Anthropologie or a Urban Outfitters brand, but that's what the take looks like. And I got it for $4 on clearance, but I'm not even going to wear it, so I'm going to get rid of that. This Gap t-shirt that I bought, it's a size medium. It just fits too big on me, so I'm going to get rid of that. I feel bad, but these VS pink shirts aren't doing anything for me. So we're going to get rid of that. Let's see here. Yep. Same thing with the teal shirt. Goodbye. Okay, so these are two that I'm like in between. So because I like the color of this, but it's more so for me like working out and stuff, out and being outdoors. But I like the color of this but I don't like how it fits on me. I think it's too tight. This fits better than this, but I like this color more than I like this. Does that make sense? So I think I'm going to get rid of the Under Armour one. Okay, and then I bought this dress, new with tags, Playhouse Closet, and I literally have never worn it. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, and the last thing, I do have this bridesmaid's dress that I need to drop off at a dress consignment store. So we're going to put this right here so I don't forget. Then we're going to go, whoop, looks like a shirt fell. I'm going to go ahead and hang that up. And then for bags, I have like this little reusable bag. We'll probably donate that. Looks like I have 2 purses in here. I have this purse here, which I've never even used, so I'm going to get rid of that. Then I have this Marona purse here. Let's see. Yeah, it's not a bad purse here. Maybe I'll go back to this purse a little bit because it will fit my planner in here. So, excuse me. Go back to that purse. I do have this Victoria's Secret floral duffel bag that I bought. I don't really use duffel bags that much. So I have this bag for traveling, and then I have this bag, which really, this one is more durable, but I kind of like this one a little bit more. I don't know, you guys. I feel like I should maybe keep this one and get rid of this one. Because I feel like this one looks a little bit more mature. Does that make sense? Okay. Now we're getting down to my shoes. So first things first, I have these pair of booties that I got at TJ Maxx. I've worn these a couple of times, but it's been snowing like crazy. So I haven't worn them in a while, but I will keep them. I have my Under Armour tennis shoes. I wear those. And then these American Eagle booties. I have been living out of those recently. And then my Ugg boots. I wear my Ugg boots a lot too. I do have these booties. I haven't worn them as much, but I have worn them quite a bit this winter, so I'll keep them for right now. I bought these pair of flats at Walmart, and I don't know. We will put them in the maybe I will return pile. I mean, they're only $1, so it doesn't really make sense to return them if they're only $1. But if I don't need them, it doesn't make sense for me to keep them. Does that make sense? Then I have my Converse here. My other pair of flats. And then my gym shoes that I have not actually worn to a gym yet. So that's what I got. I got dirty socks I need to get cleaned. I got a pair of slippers that are like dying on the bottom. So we're going to throw those in the garbage. And then we'll add that to my list. I just need to get a new pair of slippers. So This dress is bugging me. I'm going to move this dress over on the end. Perfect. So, push all of that back, and let's go ahead and put my shoes. Okay, and then I have my shoes on the top here. So, this is a box that we just do not speak of. It's somebody else's stuff, but I don't have the guts to throw it away. Okay, I've got this container here. It probably needs to get thrown away. I got flip-flops, another pair of sandals, and then another pair of very dirty moccasins. So we will put them down where they belong. And this container, I think I'm just gonna throw it away. Rest in peace. I have these heels that I got. I don't even know what brand they are. As you can see, I haven't even worn them. Haven't taken the Goodwill stickers off of them. But look how cute these are. Like, I just think that they are so pretty and just would go good with anything. So I love these. Okay, and I actually don't even have these Converse anymore. So we're going to throw that in the garbage bin. These are my Reebok tennis shoes, which I'm going to put them in here. And I will wear them eventually. I have these Rampage cheetah print sandals. I do wear these. Of course, it's like winter now, so we don't wear sandals, but and then I do have these white mountain boots. These Booties. Okay, and then these are my Tommy Hilfiger boots that I have bought, but I don't really like them. So I'm going to check and see what the return policy might be on these. Otherwise, I might just resell them. So we're going to check on that. And the last thing that I bought, or last thing I have, are these Steve Madden booties that I have only worn these one time. So, I don't know, you guys. Should I keep... Which booty do you think should I keep? It's so hard because they're just so different. Because I like the style of this, but I love the color of this. Like, this just gives it, like, that natural boho, like, oomph. Whereas this is just, like, I don't know. Help me out, you guys. But that does complete everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you're here till the end, thank you again. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel and join my family. And I will see you guys later.